These are the parking elevators at One Sarasota Tower in Sarasota, Florida. They got modded. They used to be Dover Impulse. Now they're ThyssenKrupps. Let's go to 6. Let's go back down to G. Looks like they color code the floors. It said floor 6 was orange. There's a security camera right there. Normally I'd want to check out all the floors and see what the colors are, but since we are in an office building, we're not going to do that. Also, here's your certificate. We'll send this one up and get the other elevator. Floor G might be yellow by the color of the pillars. Anyway, we'll cut till we get this one. The old lantern was right there. Oh, well, you know, the other elevator, we had set it up. It was right there. So let's get our cab view. So 7-story hydraulic. There's your inspection certificate. I find it comedic that the name of the building is One Sarasota Tower, but the physical address is 2 North Tamiami Trail. Video up at 1. There's the main lobby. Maybe 1 isn't the yellow floor because there's yellow pillars over here too. Anyway, that'll be it.